You can learn to do incredible things if you are willing to relearn the nature in which things are really created. You can literally manifest money out of thin air, attract the sort of people you want in your life once you are open to learning the deep and ancient art of manifesting. The universe is filled with secrets. No law of attraction is not the greatest secret, it's just one of many secrets which will help you to manifest what you want. You can become a super manifesting magnet and do so fast. Before you start with wanting, you must start with being. You must be before you can have. What does that mean, you are asking? What does it first mean to be? Before you can try to manifest other things, you must first believe and begin to act as a super manifesting magnet. Just as you cannot manifest piles of money if you are acting, speaking and thinking as a poor person. You cannot be a super manifesting magnet, until you begin to embed it in your mind that you are super and you are a magnet, powerful enough to shift and create things into your reality. Successful manifesting requires contemplation. It's a must, whether you call it meditation or reflection, it's a necessity to becoming successful at manifesting. Think for a minute of what it means to be a magnet. A magnet has an unseen electrical force which draws things towards it. It is self-contained with an invisible power. Isn't that the same with us as human beings? It is. In order to hold that intense invisible power, you must awaken the invisible essence within you. It simply won't happen by itself. As that essence awakens, it becomes stronger with each passing day. The secret to developing that spiritual invisible essence is that it needs daily coaxing and nurturing until finally one day it explodes into pure power, and your ability to manifest greater and greater things becomes one easy step. Try this super manifesting technique. Inhale deeply, and as you do, feel yourself getting more and more powerful. On each in-breath, repeat to yourself that you are part of the universe as great as the stars and the moon, and you are a powerful magnet. Spend 5 minutes doing this, better yet do it several times a day. But, above all, do it every single day without force until one day simple thinking a thing will bring it to you. There are many more manifesting secrets, and they all require deeper knowledge as to why they work and how they work. Continue on your search and learn to master them all.